Hi, I'm Greg and I'm going to show you how to read a tape measure. A tape measure has a lot of little markings on it. The larger numbers represent the inches, and each little small notch represents a 1/16 of an inch. Every 1/8 of an inch is labeled on the tape measure. Let's say you need to cut something 5 7/8 inches. So here I have 5, and then every 1/8 of an inch is called out, so 5 7/8 lands me right there. Now when you're looking for feet listed on your tape measure, every 12 inches is a foot, so at 12 I have 1 foot called out. Go another 12, at 24 I have 2 feet, another 12, 36 I have 3 feet, and so on and so forth. Every 16 inches the number is highlighted in red because that's the typical distance of spacing between studs. When you hold your tape up against your wall, looking at the red numbers will show you where a stud should be placed if you're looking to hang a picture frame or something similar in the wall. Typically, the length of a tape measure is listed in feet on the outside of the tape. So here I have a 30 foot and a 25 foot. Now if you're looking to purchase a tape measure, this is a good thing to look for, not only to know how far you can actually measure, but also because you might be wondering why is one tape measure cheaper than another, and it often has to do with the length. Of course, most tape measures have this hook at the end. That's a nice feature, so you can hang it on a post or a wall and easily measure what you're trying to measure. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and comment. What other home tip ideas would you like to see next? And if you're looking for another home tip, watch it here. This has been Home Tips with Custom Built Design and Remodeling.